welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you don't know me, my name is Hope and I make videos about fitness, health, and wellness with everything in between. So guys, excuse me if I'm sounding a little nasally, but y'all girls under the weather, you know, change of the season, change of the weather, all of that fun stuff. So yeah, girl, your girl's been struggling, but we getting better. So I want to bring this video to you guys early, and you know, this is the time where we start rethinking our fitness values, our fitness goals, you know, body image, and how to tackle our fitness journeys. I know there's a lot that comes with trying to start a new fitness journey. It's not easy, especially if you've never really done it before or if you toy with it, especially the fear of going to the gym. And to me, you know, I understand it. I mean, for me, I was a gym beginner once upon a time. Coming from being an athlete and always going to the gym with a team or a coach, I had to really learn my way about going to the gym, what to do, using the machines, and all of the above. So I've been there and done that. And I just have 5 suggestions for those of you who are new to the gym, what to do, how to gain your confidence about going to the gym, being brand new to that environment, and you know, how to grow from that. Worried about not knowing how to use the machines, which is really logical. So let me give you guys 5 suggestions on what to do. If you like this video and want more like this, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. That should be right here, right there. It's like the red little button. Right, all right. So the first suggestion I had to write down a few things in my, you know, on my notes section just so I won't forget it. The first thing to remember is that everybody is there to get better. If they were perfect, if they had reached their goal, if they were where they wanted to be, they wouldn't be there. And even if it's a maintenance purpose, which is why I go, just to sustain what I already have, and also because it's such a part of my life. It's like how I clear my mind, how I feel good about myself. I love the endorphins and just feeling like I just spent so much time with myself, and it didn't cost me anything just to take that time to work on me. That's why I go to the gym. So I love it. But we are all there for a purpose, not to judge, not to look down on anybody, not to, you know, just critique people's forms. If I see somebody with a terrible form, if I can, I will pass by and be like, hey, this is how you do it. Or sometimes just let them do them. But just remember that we're all there for a reason, and that reason is for ourselves, but not to intimidate, make fun, or judge you. Okay, that's the first thing to remember. We're all going there for a purpose. We're all leaving our homes, you know, doing whatever weather for a purpose, and you are not that purpose. Point blank, and that simple. Second thing is, if you're new to the gym, okay, I want to suggest that before you go, write down a game plan. What is it? Failure to plan is planning to fail. Write down a game plan. Try to figure out why you're going to the gym that day. Okay, so let's say you want to really focus on your glutes, your legs, your arms, or overall health. Write out a goal. Write out a workout for that day, for that hour you're going to be there. And if you don't know what it is you're going to go do, information is in the palm of your hand. We have to maximize our phone and use them for our own gains, right? So let's say I want to go and do a total body. Okay, I want to do a warm-up. What am I going to do for a warm-up? All right, I want to use the Stairmaster. How long do I want to be on the Stairmaster for? 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, that's warm up. Second, you want to stretch. Then what do people do for stretching? Okay, I know you know, in elementary school we did the arm over, we did the pull the elbow. My arms are sore right now. We did, you know, lunging into your body. We did the lunges, we did the toe touches. Okay, cool. That's a warm up. Oh, I mean, that's a stretch. Okay, now what exercises do I know that I can do to target my legs, to target my glutes? How many exercises do I want to do? Okay, since I'm starting now, I want to do 3 exercises. All right, so what are these exercises going to be? Write it down. Have a game plan, because if you have a game plan, it'll be easier to go to the gym, do your exercises, and then leave. But leaving your house, going to the gym and trying to figure it out while you're there, that's where the insecurity comes in. That's where the incompetence shows. That's where you're just going there, getting a Stairmaster or the treadmill and going home. And of course, that is still something. Something's always better than nothing. But friend, if you go in there with a game plan, which exercises you're going to do, how long you're going to do it for, you're just going to get in there and get out because you knew what you came to do. So number 2 is going into the gym with a plan, okay? That's it. And you can do all of that pre-planning before you even go. I still do it, even if it's in my car, even if it's while I'm stretching, even if it's while I'm warming up. I always have a game plan of what I'm in there for, which muscle group I'm going to work on, which exercises I'm going to do. I already know that stuff before I go. Okay, so once you're at the gym, there are workers at the gym who are there for a reason. And the reason some of them are there is to help you. For example, the personal trainer. If you see somebody, an employee, a personal trainer who is at the gym, and you're asking and you're wondering how to use a certain machine, go over and be like, hey, I'm trying to figure out this machine. Can you show me how to use it? I have no shame in my game. There's been some times where I've asked somebody to even spot me, a random person, or I've asked somebody how to use a machine, because it's better safe than sorry. If you don't know how to use it, just ask. I mean, what's the worst they're going to say? No. That just shows that you're interested in getting better, and they will not turn you down. Or if they can't figure it out, they'll find somebody who knows how to use the machine. That's the only way you're going to learn. But avoiding the machines or doing them wrong is not going to help you reach your goals. Those machines are there to be maximized, to learn how to use, and to use it to the best of your ability. But always ask for help. Even if you can't find somebody who works there, if there's somebody who got off the machine and you want to know how to use it, ask that person, hey, just tap them on the shoulder, can you show me how to use this machine? They will be glad to show you. Like, nobody in there is just coming there to be mean, or make fun of you, or be annoyed that you ask them a question. Now, if you're just going up to them to talk for fun, like, now that part, that's all I'm gonna say. Don't just tap people on the shoulder to have conversations with them, because we're all there to get in and get out, not to talk about your day, But if it's a question you have, if it's how to use a machine, if it's how to do something, go ahead, ask somebody how to do that, and I'm pretty sure they will not have a problem with helping you. But ask for help. That's the only way you're gonna learn and get better to be the best you that you're in there to be. Okay, so we are on the 4th thing, and that is low-key fake it till you make it. Sometimes you're going to have to fake the confidence. Sometimes you're going to have to fake, getting there, pretending like you know what you're doing. All right, you don't want to go in there scared, just stay on the Stairmaster, stay on the elliptical. The gym is an environment that should be maximized, okay? And sometimes you have to get out of your comfort zone to reach that next level. So just fake it till you make it. I know it can be scary because everybody, quote unquote, everybody look like they're there and they know what they're doing. A lot of us sometimes don't. Sometimes don't. So fake the confidence. Don't let the fear stop you. It's an environment that is to be used to reach your best self, and you can do it. You can totally do it. Don't let everybody scare you away. Don't let the fact that they look like they know what they're doing scare you. Fake that confidence, sis. You can do it. All right? Go ask somebody how to use that machine. Let them show you how to do it, and go ahead and start doing it. Even if you're using 5 pounds, that's still better than nothing. But do something. You got this. Fake that joint. And then last but not least, my favorite suggestion is just have fun. And it's not even the gym. Just have fun with this journey. Just have fun getting to know yourself. Just have fun trying to be your best self. And, just have fun trying to learn and earn that body that you once had, that you've never had, that you want. And ultimately, the way to a successful fitness journey is to always be mindful that you're creating a new lifestyle. Anytime you're trying to leave point A to point B, it deserves a different version of yourself. yourself, and in order to achieve this version, you have to be a different person essentially. So you're trying to have a different lifestyle, adapt a new lifestyle, and it's going to take time, it's going to take consistency, and it's going to take patience, but you can do it because there's nobody that's going to do it for you. You have to be tired with the position you're in order to be like, listen, self, I'm tired looking the way I'm looking. I'm tired eating the way I'm eating. I'm tired drinking the way I'm drinking. It's time to make a change, and you have to agree with yourself that you can do it, and it's time. And this is the perfect time to start. Don't wait for January 1st. You still have a few days left in 2023, and you can do it, all right? I have faith in you. If you need anything, my channel is here to help. That's why I created this channel. Coming from a nurse, I see so much of what a sedentary lifestyle does to you, because even now that you're young, this is the youngest you're going to be. Today is the youngest you're going to be. But if you don't take action right now, 50 years from now, your body will start to, turn on you because you didn't do nothing to help it when you had the chance. So you can do it. Have fun with it, learning new things, learning how to cook, learning new exercises, and just pouring into yourself is so rewarding, and you're going to start loving it. But you have to understand that it's fun, it's gonna be hard, but you're learning so much that I hope you start enjoying the process, because it is the only way to stick with it. Don't make it temporary. If you need a temporary goal to focus on, that's okay too, but the ultimate end of the day goal is to make it a lifestyle. That's the only way you're going to stick with it, okay? I love you guys. You got this. Alright guys, so these are my 5 suggestions on how to begin your fitness journey and how to start loving the gym. It's an environment that you can use to your own benefit, but you have to go in there with a sense of, I can do this, I can ask for help, fake it till you make it, and just have fun with it. Alright, I love you guys so much. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and want more of it. Let me know all the content you'd like to see on my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.